This is Lefix LeetCode, and today we are going to learn how to reverse a linked list. And before that, you need to have an understanding of a basic understanding of linked lists and how they work. As you can see here, this is how you construct a linked list. It always has two properties: the value and the next pointer. The pointer to the next the next linked list item. So it's very simple, guys. All you need to do is initialize a number of pointers, and the first one we are going to start with is the current pointer. This pointer will help us in traversing the linked list. So you see, with linked lists, it's usually very straightforward. All you need to do is do what they're asking you to. For example, when you look at this, when you look at my right, the left side of your screen, so we are reversing. So what will happen is all these pointers you are seeing pointing, 1 is pointing to 2, 2 is pointing to 3, 3 is pointing to 4. The end result will be the vice versa of this. Now 2 will now be pointing to 1, as you can see, 3 pointing to 2, as you can see, 4 pointing to 3, as you can see, and 5 pointing to 4. So meaning the new head, the current head now is 1, but the new head will be 5. So meaning when we are traversing the linked list, we are going to return 5, the node with number 5 as the new head. So guys, I'll straight away dive into the code. So the current pointer to the head, we can initialize so that we don't interfere with the structure of the linked list. And then we can also initialize a previous pointer as well, but set it to none. And then run a while loop while current is not null. We can keep before you change this, you change the pointers, you shift the pointers, you have to keep a snapshot of the current status so that you're able to move the current pointer to the next node. So for example, before you change 2.next to point to 1, you reverse it. You have to keep the 2.next of which that is 3. So so this is how you do it. You initialize a temporary pointer. So that's you just call it next temp is what? Next temp is current.next, right? And then now you can now do current.next. You can now reverse equals to previous, right? And then previous, set it to current, and then finally set current to next temp. Yes, and that is all. You can return the previous pointer. Why are we returning the previous pointer? Because the current, let me just give you an overview. 1, 2, 3. So when we reverse this linked list, before we start, our current is null. Our previous pointer is pointing to none, and our current pointer is here, for example, at 1. So when we reverse this, then our current pointer dot next will be the previous, which is null. So meaning 2 dot next will be 1. It will be inverted, like the opposite of this. And at the end of it all, the previous pointer will be at the last node, and the current pointer will be at the null node. So we can't really return it. So we're going to return the previous pointer. So that is how you go about it. So we submit, and the time complexity of this is O of n. Much, guys. You can see our solution is about 68% faster. Thank you, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time.